do you dare to try a dish made from insects? As the demand for sustainable protein sources continues to rise, scientists and nutrition experts are exploring new alternatives to traditional protein sources. One of these alternatives is insects, which offer abundant nutritional value, environmentally friendly farming methods, and immense commercial potential. Welcome to Rabbit Farm. Join me as we explore how thousands of insects are harvested, processed, and transformed into nutritious dishes. Let's start with a surprising fact. Currently, over 2 billion people around the world consume insects as a part of their daily diet. But why are insects becoming the trend of the future? This is closely tied to their tremendous benefits. First, farming insects is incredibly resource efficient. A prime example, producing 1 kilogram of beef requires up to 15,000 liters of water and a significant amount of land. But to raise 1 kilogram of crickets, you only need 2 liters of water, a small amount of feed, and very little space. Second, insects are exceptionally nutritious. They contain 50 to 70% protein, significantly higher than traditional meat sources. In addition, insects provide healthy fats, fiber, vitamin B12, and essential minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium. And finally, insect farming generates up to 80% fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to livestock farming, helping to reduce environmental impact. Let's begin at modern insect farming facilities. First, we have crickets, a familiar insect that has been farmed and consumed as a common food source in many parts of the world, especially in Thailand and Vietnam. With a protein content of 60 to 70% of their dry weight, crickets are an ideal source of nutrients. Additionally, they are rich in vitamin B12, iron, and zinc, essential nutrients for health. To raise crickets, all you need is a compact space, such as a plastic bin or a cardboard box with ventilation holes, maintaining a temperature of 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Their diet is simple, including green vegetables, rice bran, and fruits. Within 6 to 8 weeks, a batch of crickets is ready for harvest. They contain up to 70% protein, along with essential amino acids, calcium, and vitamin B12. Cricket-based products are diverse, ranging from cricket powder for making bread and noodles to crispy fried cricket snacks. Moreover, crickets have a nutty and rich flavor with a crunchy texture, making them appealing to new consumers. Next are mealworms, a fast-growing insect species. Mealworms are bred in an environment with strict temperature and humidity controls. They are known as a natural source of omega-3 and omega-6, along with high levels of zinc and potassium. The process of raising mealworms is simple. They are reared in large trays with a substrate of rice bran or wheat flour, and their diet consists of fresh vegetables and fruits. Maintaining a temperature of around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and a humidity level of 50 to 70% is sufficient for mealworm growth. After 8 to 10 weeks, mealworms reach harvestable size. They are sifted to remove the substrate, then cleaned and processed through drying or freezing. Common mealworm products include crispy snacks, nutritional powder, or ingredients for making noodles and baked goods. Furthermore, mealworms are an excellent alternative for those seeking gluten-free food options. When mentioning locusts, we often think of the massive locust plagues that significantly impact the agriculture of certain nations. But today, we'll explore the benefits of locusts in the food industry. Locusts have a protein content ranging from 60 to 70%, along with vitamins A, B1, B2, and minerals such as zinc and iron. Locusts are not only rich in protein, but also contain 3 times more iron than beef. Locusts require ample space to jump and fly and are usually raised in mesh enclosures or areas with a roof. The ideal temperature is 30 to 35 degrees Celsius, and their primary food sources include fresh grass, corn leaves, or legume plants. After 6 to 8 weeks, locusts mature and are ready for harvest. They are collected using nets or vacuum methods, then cleaned and processed. In many countries like Thailand, Locusts are fried with traditional spices, becoming extremely popular street food. Moreover, locust powder is being studied for application in nutritional products. Major food companies around the globe have begun investing heavily in this industry. According to forecasts, the insect-based food market is expected to reach a value of $10 billion by 2030. With outstanding environmental and nutritional benefits, this is set to be one of the biggest trends in sustainable food. Insects, small but mighty. They are the solution to a more sustainable future. Are you ready to try a dish made from insects? Open your mind and explore a world of culinary potential, because eating insects today is how we protect the planet for tomorrow. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more exciting videos. Thank you, and see you next time.